Discover the secret to a healthier, more energetic you with just one simple smoothie recipe. Stay tuned to learn how you can transform your mornings and boost your health in just 3 minutes. Welcome back to another episode of Smoothie Secrets, where we blend our way to better health, one smoothie at a time. Today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can whip up a health-boosting smoothie in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 3 minutes to a delicious, nutritious power-up for your day. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and nutrients, all from a quick and easy smoothie. It's the perfect way to kickstart your morning or recharge after a workout. First up, let's talk about greens. These are the foundation of any great smoothie. Grab a handful of fresh spinach or kale. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and calcium. They're a powerhouse of nutrition that your body will thank you for. These vitamins and minerals are essential for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and keeping your bones strong. Trust me, you won't even taste the greens once we're done. The fruits and other ingredients will mask the flavor, leaving you with a delicious drink. Next, load up on fruits. Fruits not only add natural sweetness but also provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. My go-tos are bananas and berries. Bananas add that creamy texture we all love, while berries like strawberries and blueberries give a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for fighting off free radicals in your body, which can help prevent chronic diseases and keep you feeling youthful. If you're feeling adventurous, throw in some mango or pineapple for a tropical twist. These fruits add a refreshing flavor and are packed with vitamins and enzymes that aid digestion. Now let's talk liquids. You can use almond milk, coconut water, or just plain old water. Each liquid brings its own unique benefits to the table. Almond milk is my personal favorite. It's creamy and packed with nutrients like vitamin E, which is great for your skin and overall health. Pour about a cup into your blender. Time for some protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and keeping you full longer. A scoop of protein powder or a spoonful of Greek yogurt can do wonders. Greek yogurt also adds a nice creamy texture and a dose of probiotics for gut health. Protein helps you stay full longer and aids muscle recovery, making it perfect for a post-workout smoothie. If you're vegan, no worries. Go for plant-based protein powders like pea or hemp protein. These options are just as effective and packed with nutrients. Don't forget the extras. A tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds adds a dose of omega-3s and fiber, which are great for heart health and digestion. A dash of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract, or even a spoonful of nut butter can make your smoothie taste like a treat. These little additions can elevate the flavor and add extra nutrients. Alright, let's blend it all together. This is where the magic happens. Start on low speed, then gradually increase to high until everything is smooth and creamy. This ensures all the ingredients are well blended and the texture is just right. If it's too thick, just add a bit more liquid and blend again. You want a consistency that's easy to drink but still satisfying. Pour it into your favorite glass and there you have it. A quick, easy and super healthy smoothie. It's a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or whenever you need a nutritious boost. It's versatile and fits into any part of your day. So give it a try and let me know in the comments how your smoothie turned out. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. And if you have any secret ingredients you love, share them with us. Your tips could inspire others to try new flavors and combinations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smoothie secrets and health tips. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. Cheers! Here's to blending our way to a better, healthier life.